What's up guys, I just had to bring this quick video. This is insane. I've been calling this for literally weeks now. SHIBASWAP, Binance confirmed. It's happening today. By the time this video is out, it's already happened. This is huge guys. I've been calling this for weeks. I've called a lot of these plays that you guys have been making a ton of money on. So if you made any money, let me know in the comment section below. I really hope you guys have been eating well. Yeah, if you're new to the channel, by the way, subscribe if you love money because I've literally called all these plays. And if you're not in Hawk right now, you're gonna regret it. Remember, this video is about to go fucking stupid tomorrow. I'm the only one covering these altcoins like this, guys, every single day. So yeah, SHIBASWAP not even out yet, and we've already gone so far in Shib. It's crazy, guys. I think this is just gonna go even further. We just got listed on crypto.com. We're about to get listed on Binance. Guys, we're gonna go crazy. This is insane. Like, what's happened is absolutely insane. You idiots in the comment section are like, oh, the market cap's so big, we could never hit a cent or dollar. Or idiots, retards, actually stupid. We're gonna hit a cent easy, bro. We're listed on every single big exchange, and this will become a stable coin at some point. Like, this is an insane opportunity for you guys, and I hope you guys are eating well. I hope you guys are in it. This is just really a quick video just explaining to you guys I've been right about everything I've said so far, and SafeMoon is next. It's gonna get listed on Binance. I promise that. That's gonna happen 100% listed before SafeMoon. That's actually like, that's interesting as hell. So I'm actually surprised SafeMoon has got listed after Shiba, which is, I thought that would be first. But the Hawk is gonna go crazy tomorrow, guys. SHIBASWAP is coming out soon, so keep holding. The camera dies every single time I try to film these videos, but yeah, excited to make you guys some money. And if you've made money, let me know. It's just the beginning, dude. We're about to hit 100K this year, 100%. And subscribe to the channel, leave a like on the video if you love money, and